Lexus just went fully electric, and the 2027 NX is nothing like anything they've ever built. This is the 2027 Lexus NX Electric, and I need you to look at this thing carefully. Because Lexus didn't just update the NX, they completely reimagined it from the ground up. New face, new silhouette, a cabin that looks like it belongs in a 5-star hotel, and a range number that is going to make Tesla very, very nervous. Let's get into it. Starting up front, and this face is aggressive. Gone is the spindle grille, completely gone. In its place, Lexus put a sealed front fascia with angular light blade DRLs cutting sharp across the hood. That glowing illuminated Lexus L badge sits dead center, white, clean, unmistakably premium. The lower bumper is all sharp geometry, deep angular cuts, a wide black diffuser-style intake, and accent lighting strips flanking both sides. This front end is something between a fighter jet and a luxury watch. It is absolutely stunning. The side profile is where this design really lands. Look at that roofline. It swoops back in a near-fastback arc, almost coupe-like for an SUV. The shoulder line is minimal, barely a crease running front to rear. But look down at the sill, a full illuminated blue accent strip running the entire length of the car with Lexus lettered right into it. That one detail alone makes this car look like it costs twice what it does. Those turbine-style black wheels fill the arches perfectly. No chrome, no flash, just clean, intentional Japanese precision. And the rear? One of the cleanest in the segment. A full-width LED light bar stretching across the entire tailgate, razor-thin, glowing deep red at golden hour. The Lexus L badge centered perfectly. NX550E badging on the left. No exhaust pipes, this thing is fully electric. The diffuser at the bottom is geometric, dark, structured. This rear end in front of a mountain sunset backdrop, I mean, come on, that's a wallpaper. Step inside, and the cabin will stop you cold. Because Lexus built something in here that feels more like a private lounge than a car interior. Cream white quilted leather everywhere. The seats, the door panels, the headrests embossed with the Lexus logo. The contrast stitching is razor sharp. Everything is soft, everything is wrapped. This is the kind of interior that makes you want to just sit in it and go nowhere. Up front, the dashboard is dominated by a massive ultra-wide curved display spanning almost the entire width of the cabin. Dark, cinema-like, with the Lexus logo glowing against a Starfield animation at startup. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed, slim, with clean haptic controls. No clutter, no knobs. Just one crystal-cut rotary dial on the center console, sitting between two perfectly sculpted armrests. Now look at the rear seats, and this is where I completely lost it. Full white quilted leather captain chairs, individual armrests, a rear touchscreen panel for climate and media, blue ambient lighting glowing along the door sills and under the seat bases. The panoramic roof overhead floods the whole cabin with light. This rear seat experience is closer to a Genesis G90 than anything in the luxury compact SUV segment. Lexus went all in. Now let's talk numbers. The 2027 Lexus NX Electric, badged NX550E, is expected to run a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup producing around 385 horsepower with an estimated range of 300 miles on a full charge. 0 to 60 in around 4.7 seconds. Lexus is also rumored to offer a single-motor rear-wheel drive base variant pushing around 268 horsepower for the value-focused buyer. Pricing is expected to start around $52,000 for base, climbing to around $68,000 for the fully loaded F-Sport performance trim. And who's it up against? The BMW iX1, the Volvo EX60, and the Tesla Model Y Performance. But honestly, walk up to any of those cars and then look at this interior, and it's not even close. The 2027 Lexus NX Electric is coming late 2026, and it might be the most beautiful electric SUV under $70,000 on the market. So tell me, would you take this over a Tesla Model Y Or is Lexus finally back on top? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want every leak and render before anyone else covers it, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.